20 minutes ago I thought I was going to have to spend more money, but I think my Stockton chain breaker from Psychogear also doubles as a chain installer, even though there's no instructions with it and it's only called a chain breaker. So there's a fella online who used a C-clamp and a nut to tension this master link through the side plate. So he basically had the nut right here, put a C-clamp on there, twisted it, tightened it real hard, and once you do that they kind of stay. So there's enough tension on that master link shaft that it stays once it's through the side plate, and it's staying far enough I can reach the groove. So I flipped my chain breaker around because it's got this hollow part, and just took the 14mm wrench, tightened it up, got that pin through, and now I'm doing this lower one, which is not quite so easy with one paw while holding the phone. Hit it started real good. Okay, that's pretty good tension on there. So I should be able to get this side plate right here clipped in. Take the tension off the tool with one hand. Okay, now theoretically this should have enough movement in it to go right through that groove with my needle nose. Hey, look at that. Done. Ready for some Katoom, I think. We'll see about that. So the only question now is, did I take the proper amount of links out? I completely changed my sprocket gearing from 1545 to 1347, but I also bought a 14 and a 15 for the front, so I'm going to need a lot of movement back and forth as I switch between those sprockets. But hey, master link's on, so almost ready to ride.